Okay, so now I'll show you the upstairs. It's April 10th. Bobby's new windows are in. Bigger. The first bedroom at the top of the stairs will be Lena's. This is Lena's room. Her new window. Her closet. Her pretty tray ceilings. I did some of the HVAC stuff this week. So they have all the lines running. Pretty cool. This will be the laundry area. And this big closet at the top of the stairs. And they put in the vent for the dryer. This will be now a spare bedroom. This used to be our old master bedroom. Put new windows in here. Our bed frame is still in here. They built a nice big closet. That's our bedroom there, but this is the hall bath for the kids. This will be the toilet area. This will be their linen closet. And they'll have a pocket door there. So they'll be able to close that when they use the bathroom. And in front of that will be their bathtub. And then on this side will be their vanity. And you can see that they already have the cutouts for the medicine cabinets. And then this will be our bedroom. Our nice tray ceilings. Our bathroom back there. That's where I just came from in the hallway. So you walk through here to get to the closet, which is right back here. So this is the opening to our closet. And this space here will be our new closet. That's the opening for the attic. And then we go back to our bathroom. This will be the toilet area. We'll have wall there. This will be where our vanities are. There's the cutouts for our medicine cabinets. And that will be our shower. So cool. They have little half walls with the bench. And you put little niches in here for storage for the shower. Here as well, there's a little niche, so there'll be a little shelf for the shower. And that's it. There's some heat coming in here.